Hi everyone, I decided to do this YouTube support group video as I wanted a place for everyone who shared the same interests to come together. Let's support each other and grow together. You want to stick around and watch this video through. It's not just a sub for sub, it's going to help with subscribers as well as gain more watch time on your YouTube videos, and I'm going to share what I've learned. I know when I first started out, I had a very hard time getting my first 100 subscribers. Then I started doing sub for sub, and I thought, oh, this is awesome. But it didn't take long before I seen a decline in my subs. So I kept thinking, there's got to be a better way. I started looking for people who shared the same interests. And that was great, as my subscribers were building as well as my views. I would have liked more watch time on my video, but it was still progress, so I couldn't complain. And I wasn't losing any subs. My only complaint was it was hard finding supporters that share the same interests. I'm sure you're all aware of this problem, but every sub for sub newsfeed is filled with gamers. And weeding through them to find these certain supporters is like picking a needle in a haystack. That's why I decided to do this sub for sub everything girly support group video, which turned out great at first, but as time went on, it started declining. So I did some research and realized it was the wording, sub for sub. I'm sure everything girly didn't help it as well. When I posted that video, I thought I'll use the word sub for sub so I can bring attention to it. But in the long run, it was not the right word to use. I wish I could get more people in there because the supporters I have in there are amazing. Whenever I get notified of a new video and I go check it out, I see at least 15 of my supporters already notified and commented on these people's videos. They truly are loyal and they're awesome. I also have to say I learned a lot from them. I watch everyone's video and I watch a full view because it interests me. You know, I do makeup much better, and now I know what an Ipsy glam bag is. I never knew what that was, and I started a subscription with them. I gained some new recipes and I cook a lot better and healthier. You know, I can go on and you can get the idea. Not only am I helping support another YouTuber, but I'm gaining knowledge as well as a new friend. This is why I decided to create this video. I wanted to make a bigger, better support group. But before I made this video, I wanted to do some research and look into some YouTube courses. Though I'm no pro and I don't have all the answers, but I did learn this. Doing sub for sub is hurting us if they are not watching your videos. If you sub someone and they sub you and neither one of you watch each other's video, it's going to throw your ratio off, and YouTube is going to list your video as irrelevant because it's looking at your watch time, user engagement, and looking at views to subscriber ratio. If you have a ton of subscribers and low views, it's going to be a problem on your videos and they're going to get ranked lower. What I would like in here is if you're going to subscribe to someone, please let it be someone you're interested and you want to watch the whole video. Leaving a thoughtful comment and thumbs up will help build that channel. If you're not going to engage with another YouTube, it's okay to say, I'm sorry, I don't feel we're a right fit. It's better to be honest and upfront with that person in the beginning than to let the video rank lower because you won't engage in them. We need to accumulate more watch time, not only because the new rule, but it's going to rank you higher on YouTube. If you look at your audience retention, and it's very important you check it out, I'll show you how to get there. You want to click in the top right hand corner, you click your icon, then click Create a Studio, click Analytics, scroll down to Audience Retention. Now you want to scroll down and you will see the percentage for each of your videos. As you notice, mine is low. I need more people to engage in my watch time, which really, the sub for sub early on has hurt me. Because they came in, they watched 20 seconds of my video and leave. So that leaves more damage, especially if my video is 10 minutes or more. But I still can turn this around and build a better percentage by getting more viewers to watch my whole video and making better videos that my audience is wanting to watch the whole video. If you can get yours above 70%, YouTube will promote the heck out of you, and you'll always be on suggested videos. And believe me, you want this. Pay attention to audience retention. It's one of the most important stats on YouTube. It's even more important than view counts. It has been proven that by increasing the video's retention rate, it ranks higher for relevant keywords on YouTube and gets suggested more often to potential viewers. Focusing on viewers' retention is important for anyone looking to grow their reach on YouTube, as a guarantee to get you out to more people who are interested in your contents. After learning about this and that I'm ranked lower due to subscriber ratio versus watch time, I realized I have to do a few changes, and one is clean up my subscribers. I swore I would never delete them, as I didn't see a reason till now. But if they're not watching my video, it hurts my video ranking. As I was cleaning up my subscribers, you won't believe what I found. This account was terminated because it was linked to accounts that have received multiple third-party claims of copyright infringement. I'm assuming I lost them as a sub, but I'm still subscribed to them. I'm not sure why YouTube would not unsubscribe me automatically, being this account don't exist. Here's another one I found. It doesn't exist. Yet, I'm subscribed to them. I mean, it's just too funny. For the life of me, I don't understand. How could I be subscribed to a channel that doesn't exist? And then there's this account who has been terminated due to multiple or severe violation of YouTube policy. So, as you know, I deleted all these, and I probably had over 30 of them, if not more. And then there's these YouTubers who don't have videos but are building subscribers. I know they're not visiting me, and really, why am I subscribed to someone who has no videos? It just don't make sense. And you'd think I would have took a clue to part of their name, but I didn't, so delete. Then there's this one video, and it was a year ago. I'm sure they deserted the channel, so delete. Then my last group of people to delete were gamers. I'm not going to ever watch their videos, nor will they watch mine. Please don't think I'm saying to delete gamers, as I'm not at all. This is my choice, as I don't share the same interests. And, you know, I should have never been subscribed to them in the first place. You might like watching their videos, and even if you don't, you might want to stay subscribed to them. That is all your choice. But I would say go through your subscription, see who you are subscribed to, and if you have done sub for sub, you probably have a lot of baggage that is weighing you down, and you'll want to clean it up so you can get a better, higher ranking with YouTube. If you want to go through your subscription, click your icon in the top right-hand corner, click my channels, and then scroll down to subscription. If you'd like to promote your channel and make new friends, comment down below, and please check out the comments below yours, and if you're interested, be sure to let them know. The more people connect, the more we will grow, and we can grow together and build a bigger, better YouTube. I will continue to promote this channel, but I'm only one person. If you guys can help me out and tell your friends or your friends on social media, we can build a bigger, stronger support group. Thank you all for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to me and hit the like button. The more like on the page has a better rank, and the better rank brings more supporters. Have a great day. Bye-bye.